QTPIE Cloth Diaper Sprayer, 10 minutes frustration-free by QTPIE is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. Transform your bathroom toilet into a diaper cleaning station. Isn't time you made it easy on yourself to clean and wash cloth diapers? The manufacturer's all-inclusive kit comes with an easy-to-install extra-long metal hose, chrome-polished T-valve adapter, mounting hardware rubber washers and plumber's tape. The elegantly designed comfy grip makes spraying a cinch. See images above. High-grade material construction. No leaks, close valve after every use. Adjustable and variable water pressure, from gentle to strong, you can apply just enough to get the job done. Perfect for a multitude of bathroom tasks. Easily doubles as a handheld bidet or toilet bowl and shower spray cleaner. Easy installation allows this kit to be used in the bathroom or laundry room deep sinks. Guaranteed not to leak, making sure valve is closed after every use. Order yours now, no more headaches, clean up the worst accidents in an instant. Everything you need in one box, it's all here. Designed for easy breezy installation. The ultimate in versatility, used for soiled infant garments, feminine hygiene and bathroom cleaning. Gentle to powerful stream sprays on demand with adjustable water flow. 100% money-back guarantee. If it isn't as every bit fantastic as the manufacturer says, simply return it.